how to add another account on Snapchat. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to add another account on Snapchat. But before I do, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Okay, so straight into it. So first, of course, open up the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Then head over to your profile by tapping on your profile icon in the top left-hand corner. Once you're in your profile, tap on the settings button in the top right-hand corner. And then scroll all the way down. And then tap on log out. So make sure your login information is saved. So just tap on yes if it asks you to. And then it will say, are you sure you want to log out? And then just click on log out. Once you've logged out, all you need to do is either at the bottom left, tap on sign up, and then you can sign up and create a new account. Or if you've already got a separate account, tap on switch account. And here you can just enter in the details of your other account if you already have one and just log in under that account. That way, next time you go to log out, you can tap on switch account and then you can log in straight away to your separate account. And that's all it takes to add another account on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.